In this video, I'll show you how to connect your XM trading account to MetaTrader 5. I'll walk you through the setup on desktop and mobile, and explain how to select the correct server so you can log in and start trading without errors. First, download and install the MetaTrader 5 platform from the XM website. Make sure you choose the correct version for your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac. Once the installation is complete, open the MetaTrader 5 platform. On mobile devices, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone. Tap the menu icon or settings, go to Manage Accounts, and tap the plus sign to add a new account. From the top menu, click on File, then select Login to Trade Account. In the Login window, enter your XM account details. Type your MT5 account ID as the login, and enter your trading account password. In the server field, type XM to display the list of available XM servers. Carefully select the server that matches your account, such as XM Global Real or XM Global Demo, and then click Login to connect your account. If you're not sure which server to use, check the welcome email from XM or log in to your XM client portal. The correct server information will be listed there, and that's how you connect your XM broker account to MetaTrader 5.